Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And if it's your first time watching me, my name is Lydia and thank you for stopping by. And I hope you all are doing well. So in this video I want to share with you how to make Ghana condensed milk candy, also known as fine toffee back in the days when I was growing up. And I don't even know why the name fine toffee. Well, I guess it was how shiny, smooth, crunchy, creamy and delicious it was, and also how it was also presented in a glass food jar or container. So a little memory I have about this candy back in the school days, somewhere in the primary and JHS. I used to eat it a lot because of how delicious it was. And whenever we close from school, all the food vendors will be waiting outside to sell all kinds of food, including this snack to us. You name it, and this candy was one of them. It was everyone's favorite toffee. And also some of the girls used to bring to class to sell them, even though it wasn't allowed. And that's the little memory I have about this candy. So that was the good old days. So please stay by and watch how I make condensed milk toffee. Let's get into it. So these are the ingredients I have for this recipe. I have here 4 canned condensed milk. I will list the ingredients in the description box below. I also have here 2 tablespoons of butter and lemon essence for flavor. So the lemon essence is optional. You can decide to add it to it or take it out. So in the saucepan, I'm adding 2 tablespoons of butter, and on a medium heat to low heat, stir the butter and wait until it's melted. And please make sure it's on low heat because it gets burnt so fast. And I hope you will enjoy this homemade candy. Now that the butter is melted, I'll go ahead and pour in the condensed milk. Now I'll be stirring it until it becomes smooth and thick. I'm also adding my lemon essence to add flavor to it. Now the condensed milk is creamy and smooth and looking golden brown. So once it looks golden brown, that means it's nicely done. So over here on my chopping board, I will grease the chopping board with a little bit of oil and then transfer the condensed milk onto it. So what I did, I set it aside to cool down, and then I transferred it into another bowl. I greased the bowl with oil and transferred it into it to cool down for about 20 to 30 minutes. So over here I am rolling the candy. Then I'll cut them into any shapes of my choice. You can also do that. Cut them into any shape of your choice. After cutting it, leave it on a cool, dry place to cool down. Please, if you enjoy watching this recipe, please give me a thumbs up, like and share, and subscribe. Thank you so much. At this point, our fine toffee is done. It's looking good. It's very simple to make, so you can also try it. Now look how shiny and beautiful this candy is looking. Oh my god, I wish you could try this. It's so crunchy, it's so nice, it's so smooth. Oh, it's so nice. So I hope you like this recipe. Please, thank you so much for watching, and see you in my next video. Thank you so much. God bless you. Bye.